Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover a deleted YouTube channel. The process is straightforward and effortless. I have two ways for this, and with the help of these, you can easily recover your deleted channel. So let's start the process. The first step is to open a new tab and, in the search bar, type youtube.com/support, then press enter. Now you'll see the YouTube Help Center on your screen. From here, look at the top left corner. You'll see three lines. Click on these lines and scroll down until you find the Submit Feedback option. Tap on it. Next, you'll see a few options. Select the second one, General Help Center Experience, and then tap on Next. Wait a few seconds for the page to load. Now you'll see some options like Inaccurate Content, Hard to Understand, and Something Else. Choose Something Else. In the feedback box, write a short message explaining that you accidentally deleted your YouTube channel and would like to recover it. It's also a good idea to mention your Google account email in the feedback message and attach a screenshot showing that your YouTube account has been deleted when you try to sign in. After that, enable the option that says, "We may email you for more information or updates," and then tap on Send. After some time, the YouTube Help Center team will contact you through email and help you recover your deleted YouTube account. But if this method doesn't work for your channel, don't worry, there's a second way. Open a new tab again and, in the search bar, type myaccount.google.com/brand accounts. You'll be redirected to a page where you can manage or restore your brand accounts. On that page, you'll see options like pending invitations, email preferences, and deleted accounts. If you've deleted a YouTube channel, it will appear under Deleted Accounts. Click on the deleted channel and then tap on the Restore option. That's it, your deleted channel will be restored. Since I haven't deleted any of my accounts, I can't show the exact option here, but it will appear for you if your channel is deleted. So these are the two simple methods you can use to recover your deleted YouTube channel quickly. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below.